Text blocks are one of the core features for building your site. Whenever you create a new regular page, blog post, and event, it's populated with an empty text block by default. To add more, click an insert point and select text from the block menu. To add text, click right here. Press Enter to create a new paragraph. And for less space between lines, add a line break by pressing Shift and Enter. To format text, highlight it with your mouse. Use the icons in the text toolbar for reformatting. There are standard options such as bolding, italicizing, linking, indenting, designating headings, and creating lists. Please note, when pasting text from another source, formatting can carry over that interferes with how text displays on your site. To avoid this, try pasting as plain text using a plain text editor such as Notepad for Windows or TextEdit for Mac. To remove formatting with text you've already pasted, use the Paste as Plain Text feature or the Remove Text Style button. To remove the text block, click the trash can icon. You can also click the padding around a text block and drag the block to the trash can icon that appears. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.